Hello student, এই ভিডিওত আলোচনা কৰা হ'ব ক্লাস 9 ৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কিছুমান ওয়ার্ড অৰ্ডাৰ। ইতিমধ্যে মই ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰ্টত কিছু ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ওয়ার্ড অৰ্ডাৰ আলোচনা কৰিছো। ভিডিওৰ ডেসক্ৰিপচনত লিংক দিয়া থাকিব, এবাৰ চাই লবা। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 17 ৰ পৰা 17 নম্বৰৰ পৰা। ইয়াত দিয়া আছে the time is picnic best for winter. এটো আমি যেতিয়া কাৰেক্ট কৰিম, শুদ্ধ কৰিম, এনেকৈ লিখিব লাগিব winter is the best time for picnic. Next, my took umbrella is man this who the. This is the man who took my umbrella. Next, person has the boldly work the done. It another likhibo lagibo. The person has done the work boldly. The person has done the work boldly. Tarbisot mountain the highest is Everest world the in. Etu enake likhibo lagibo Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Tarbisot the saw in boy I the shop. Etu likhibo lagibo I saw the boy in the shop. I saw the boy in the shop. Tarbisot and gave book he interesting me. Etu enadra likhibo lagibo he gave me an interesting book. Tarbisot to soa please your book lend you will me. Itu another likhibo lagibo will you please lend me your book. Will you please lend me your book. Tarbisot young the puppy one dog of a cold is. Itu ami khojai likhibo lagibo the young one of dog is called puppy. The young one of dog is called puppy. Tarbisot my camera took this who the man is. Etu another khojai likhibo lagibo this is the man who took my camera. Tarbisot stone no gathers rolling a moss. Etu another likhibo lagibo a rolling stone gathers no moss. Next, room in was nobody there in. There was nobody in the room. Tarbisot I saw a dead cow walking while I was in the garden. Etu khojai likhibo lagibo while I was walking in the garden I saw a dead cow. Tarbisot soa 30 number you the boy are looking for is this. Etu khojai likhile etu another hobo this is the boy who looking for. Who you are looking for. This is the boy who you are looking for. Tarbisot the saw on omen I the root. Etu likhibo lagibo another likhibo lagibo I saw the omen on the root. Tarbisot the ball on my head me hit made of which was rubber. Etu another likhibo lagibo kinadra likhiba the ball which was made of rubber hit me on my head. Gotike এইখিনি আলোচনা কৰিছো। নেক্সট ভিডিওত মই বাকি যিকেটা ওয়ার্ড অর্ডার আছে সেইকেটা লৈ আহিম। আশা কৰো সেই ভিডিওটো চাবা বুলি।